Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Check Fresh app or web portal is installed and you are signed in. Once done, enable camera and location permissions so scans and timestamps save correctly. Next, prepare the items you'll test, barcodes visible, labels clean, and lighting consistent. Now open Check Fresh and choose New Scan, position the item in frame, and let the app autofocus. This gets you past setup quickly and into the first actionable measurement. Once you've started, select the correct test type: barcode read for packaged goods, manual entry for custom items, or photo analysis for produce. Then follow the on-screen prompts, align code, enter batch data, or capture multiple angles. The app will analyze and show a progress indicator. Make sure to wait for the confirmation tone or check mark before moving on. If the scan struggles, adjust exposure, move slightly closer, or change angle, and try again 1 or 2 times. To finish, review the analysis screen. Verify the freshness score, add notes or corrective actions, then save or export the record. Once saved, sync to the cloud so timestamp, location, and device ID are captured for audits. If you see inconsistent readings, first try simple troubleshooting. Clear cache, restart the app, and retest under different lighting. If problems persist, check permissions and update the app. That one troubleshooting step, retest after restart, resolves most intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.